Hey guys, I'm getting ready to try some. I'm getting ready to try some spicy Italian sausage ravioli. It comes in a box like this. Sorry, I'm trying to record this on my phone, so uh, this is what I'm getting ready to have for dinner tonight. That and lemon donuts. And it's called spicy Italian sausage. You probably hear my dad in the background too. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the bowl as well. Here's what it looks like in the bowl. And I'm gonna put me a little hot sauce in mine. Tabasco. Of course, I like Tabasco on everything, just about. The only thing I don't put Tabasco sauce on is my desserts. Anything like that.
Funerals can be emotionally devastating for a family to go through. Besides the sorrow, loved ones are left with the decisions and the high costs of arranging a funeral. That's why Funeral Advantage was formed. They've helped thousands of people between the ages of 40 and 85 protect their families when they need it most. It pays
What now?
loved ones up to $20,000.
Oh. Yeah. And here goes the taste test and review. Pretty tasty.
Call the toll-free number on your screen to get your free information guide. Funeral Advantage is something we'll all need. There's no risk or obligation. Don't put it off. Call now. Call 1-800-882-5700 now to get your free planning guide. Get the facts about how easy it is to protect your family. 1-800-882-5700.
They are this is really good. If you have a Food City, or I'm sure you could probably buy them at Walmart or somewhere like that. You should give them a try. And like I said, it's by Devour, and you can get different kinds. You can get chicken. You can get mac and cheese, cordon bleu, and different ones. meatloaf and red potatoes, chicken and green beans, and gravy sauce, and just different ones. On this Italian sausage, spicy Italian sausage, I would definitely give this a 10. On a scale of 1 to 10, being the best, I definitely give this a 10. It is really good. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And also, I want to give a big shout out to Ron's food reviews for get me to try these. They're by different. He is from Canada, and he was the one that was mentioning these in the U.S. His brand is I forget what his Canadian brand is, but his brand is not Devour. His brand is something else. I forget what the name of it is. But anyway, go subscribe to his channel. He does a lot of food reviews and things and things like that, and just and subscribe to any others that you've not subscribed to, like Big Joe and Malia and Misfits and Dreamers, New Horizons, Destinations Delight, well guys, I'm gonna get off here and enjoy the rest of this meal, and I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye.